Hi, everyone! Welcome to 5-Minute English Lessons, your quick and easy way to improve your English every day. In just 5 minutes, you'll learn useful words, phrases, and tips that will help you speak more confidently and understand English better. Let's get started and make every minute count. Today we're going to learn a powerful new word, essential. In just 5 minutes, you'll understand how to use this word in everyday conversations, so stay with me until the end. Ready? Let's go! Okay, let's start with the definition. Essential is an adjective, and it means something that is absolutely necessary or very important. Imagine something you can't live without, that's essential. For example, food and water are essential for life. Without them, we wouldn't survive. Now let's break that down. When something is essential, it's not just useful or nice to have, it's something you need. For example, air is essential for breathing. In our daily lives, we often use the word to describe things we can't do without. Let's take a look at some examples to see how essential is used in real sentences. Here's the first one. Water is essential for life. In this sentence, we're saying that water is something no living thing can survive without. It's absolutely necessary. Can you think of other things that are essential for life? Maybe oxygen, food, shelter? Now, essential can also be used in more everyday contexts. Let's say you're working on a big project, and you might say, good communication is essential for teamwork. This means that in order to work well together as a team, you must have good communication. It's very important. Here's another example. It's essential to get enough sleep before an exam. In this case, we're saying that sleep is very important for performing well during the exam. Now it's your turn. Think about something in your life that is essential. Maybe it's a tool for your job, or something you always need during the day. Write it down in the comments below. Let's see how creative you can get. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some synonyms and antonyms for essential. Synonyms, some words that mean the same as essential are necessary, crucial, vital, and indispensable. Antonyms, on the other hand, words that are the opposite of essential include optional, unnecessary, and non-essential. So next time you want to switch up your vocabulary, try using crucial or vital instead of essential. For example, a balanced diet is vital for good health. Great job today! Now you've learned the word essential, and you know how to use it in different situations. Try using this word in your conversations today. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who want to improve their English too. See you in the next video for another 5-minute lesson.